Let's talk about the cucumber, crisp, green, and refreshing. A vegetable that's as much a symbol of summer as it is a staple in salads and sandwiches across America. But its journey to your plate is anything but simple. Each cucumber you enjoy has traveled a remarkable path, shaped by both nature and human ingenuity. Behind every cucumber is a massive operation, blending cutting-edge technology with the grit and determination of American farmers who work tirelessly, season after season. These aren't just folks tossing seeds in the ground, they're running high-tech businesses, using data and automation to deliver millions of cucumbers nationwide, ensuring quality and consistency. Today, we'll reveal how a tiny seed, no bigger than a fingernail, transforms through weeks of careful nurturing into the perfect cucumber you slice into your salad. Modern farming is a world of GPS, drones, and precision science, far from the old pitchfork and overalls image. Farmers now rely on real-time data to monitor plant health, soil moisture, and even predict the best time to harvest. The goal? To grow the best cucumbers, efficiently and sustainably, using fewer resources while maximizing yield, all to feed a nation that loves its fresh produce. States like Florida, Michigan, and North Carolina dedicate thousands of acres to these vining plants, each region bringing its own climate and expertise to the process. There are two main types: slicers for fresh eating, prized for their crispness and flavor, and picklers for brining, each with its own unique challenges, growing requirements, and teams of experts dedicated to perfecting the process. It's a year-round effort demanding constant attention, innovation, and a willingness to adapt to changing weather and market demands. This journey is about the people, farmers who rise before dawn, study the weather, and make critical decisions that impact the entire crop. They know their soil intimately, understanding its needs and nurturing it season after season to ensure healthy plants. They blend tradition with technology, drawing on generations of experience while embracing new tools to produce a staple crop found in kitchens everywhere. So next time you crunch into a cucumber, remember the ingenuity, teamwork, and hard work behind it. A story that connects farm to table in every bite. It's a story of dirt, data, and determination. Let's dive in and discover the incredible journey of the humble cucumber. Every cucumber starts with a seed, a tiny package of potential holding the promise of crisp, green fruit to come. But not just any seed will do. The journey begins with careful selection, as each variety offers unique traits for flavor, yield, and resilience. Farmers often choose hybrid seeds, which are specially bred for disease resistance, uniformity, and adaptability to local climates. These seeds represent years of research and innovation, designed to give crops the best possible start. Selecting the right seed is a calculated, data-driven decision. Farmers analyze past performance, weather patterns, and market demand. Knowing this choice sets the tone for the entire season. Many seeds are coated with protective fungicides and insecticides, giving them a fighting chance from day one. This coating shields them from soil-borne threats and pests, ensuring more seeds survive to sprout. While seeds are being prepped, the soil receives its own VIP treatment. Healthy soil is the foundation of a successful crop, and farmers know it needs to be just right. Farmers take soil samples from different parts of the field, sending them to labs to analyze nutrients and pH levels. With this data, they create custom fertilizer blends. No guesswork, just science and precision. Massive GPS-guided tractors till the soil, breaking up clumps and creating perfect rows. This technology ensures optimal root growth and efficient use of space, making every inch of the field count. Raised beds are shaped for better drainage and warmth, transforming flat fields into ideal nurseries for young cucumber plants. These beds help prevent disease and encourage strong, healthy roots. Every step, from seed to soil, is about maximizing growth and minimizing waste. Efficient layouts and drip irrigation systems ensure water and nutrients go exactly where they're needed. The result is a perfectly prepared field, ready for planting, an environment where seeds can thrive and reach their full potential. Modern cucumber farming is precision agriculture at its finest, blending tradition with cutting-edge technology for the best possible start. It's not just about planting seeds, it's about setting the stage for a season of success, where every detail matters. The groundwork is laid, and the real magic is about to begin. Next up, high-tech planting, where innovation meets nature in the quest for the perfect cucumber. When planting time arrives, it's all about speed and precision. Modern agriculture has transformed what used to be a slow, labor-intensive process into a high-tech operation that maximizes both efficiency and accuracy. Farmers use mechanical planters pulled by GPS-guided tractors. Machines that open furrows, drop seeds at the perfect depth, and cover them up thousands of times a minute. These advanced tractors follow pre-programmed routes, ensuring every seed is placed exactly where it needs to be, reducing waste and maximizing yield. Many planters also lay down black plastic mulch, which warms the soil, suppresses weeds, and conserves moisture. This layer acts like a protective blanket, creating the ideal microclimate for young cucumber plants to get a strong start. Underneath, drip irrigation tape is installed, delivering water directly to the roots with minimal waste. This system is carefully positioned during planting, ensuring every plant receives just the right amount of moisture. This isn't your grandpa's sprinkler. Drip irrigation is efficient, sustainable, and precise. It helps conserve water, reduces disease by keeping leaves dry, and supports healthy, uniform growth across the field. In a single pass, the farmer tills, fertilizes, shapes beds, lays mulch, installs irrigation, and plants seeds. This multitasking approach saves time, fuel, and labor, making the entire process more sustainable and cost-effective. It's a masterclass in efficiency and technology. Multiple machines work together in perfect harmony, covering vast fields in a fraction of the time it once took. The result, an ideal environment for cucumber seeds to sprout and thrive. The combination of warmth, moisture, and protection gives each seed the best possible chance to grow into a healthy plant. Now, it's a waiting game, watching for those first green shoots to break through. Farmers monitor the fields closely, looking for signs of healthy germination and early growth. The journey from seed to sprout is a marvel of modern agriculture. Each step is carefully planned and executed, blending tradition with innovation. Every detail is engineered for success. From the machinery to the materials, everything is designed to give the crop the best possible start. The stage is set for the next phase, nurturing the crop. With the groundwork laid, attention now turns to supporting the young plants as they grow. Let's see how farmers keep those seedlings healthy, ensuring a bountiful harvest in the months to come. Once seedlings emerge, nurturing begins in earnest. Drip irrigation systems, guided by soil moisture sensors and weather data, deliver water precisely when and where it's needed. Smart irrigation means no wasted water, just the right amount for healthy growth. Fertilizers can be injected directly into the irrigation lines, feeding plants a balanced diet throughout the season. This precision prevents runoff and keeps plants thriving. But water and nutrients aren't the only concerns. Pests and diseases are constant threats. Farmers use integrated pest management, or IPM, starting with regular field monitoring and sometimes even drones for aerial scouting. Biological controls like releasing ladybugs are the first line of defense. Natural sprays and traps are used before resorting to chemicals. Broad-spectrum pesticides are a last resort, protecting both the environment and the crop. The goal: healthy cucumbers, minimal impact. It's a smart, sustainable approach to crop care. Next, we'll meet the farm's most important helpers, bees. As cucumber plants flower, pollination becomes crucial, and bees are the heroes. Cucumbers need pollen transferred from male to female flowers, a job only bees can do efficiently. Farmers partner with beekeepers, bringing in truckloads of hives just as flowering begins. Bees work the fields, pollinating flowers and ensuring a high yield of well-shaped cucumbers. It's a win-win. Farmers get better crops, beekeepers' bees get nectar, and honey production thrives. Farmers protect bees by timing any necessary spraying for when hives are closed. This partnership highlights the delicate balance of the farm ecosystem. Supporting pollinators is as vital as soil and water management. Even with all the tech, nature's role is irreplaceable. The gentle buzz of bees means a productive, healthy crop. Without them, there'd be no cucumbers. Next, it's time to harvest. After weeks of care, harvest time arrives. Timing is everything. Farmers monitor fields closely, picking cucumbers at peak size for freshness and flavor. Slicing cucumbers are usually hand-picked by skilled crews, working quickly but carefully to avoid damaging vines. Pickling cucumbers on large farms may be harvested by machines that lift, shake, and collect the fruit in one efficient pass. Whether by hand or machine, speed is crucial. Cucumbers must be cooled quickly to stay crisp. Bins are rushed from field to packing house, starting a race against time. The goal: preserve freshness and quality from vine to table. Harvest is intense, but it's the payoff for months of hard work. Every cucumber picked is a testament to teamwork and timing. Next stop, the packing house. Let's see how cucumbers get ready for the store. At the packing house, cucumbers are cleaned, sorted and prepped for market. Conveyor belts carry them through washes and brushes, removing dirt and debris. Automated sorters use cameras and sensors to grade cucumbers by size, shape, and quality. Top-grade cucumbers are waxed to seal in moisture and extend shelf life, then wrapped or boxed for shipping. Each box is labeled for traceability and food safety. The final step, rapid cooling in refrigerated rooms to lock in freshness. Boxes are loaded onto refrigerated trucks, maintaining the perfect temperature all the way to stores. This cold chain ensures cucumbers arrive crisp and ready to eat. From field to fridge, every step is about quality and efficiency. But there's more to the story. Let's talk sustainability. Today's cucumber farming is about more than yield. It's about sustainability. Farmers plant cover crops to protect and enrich soil, reducing erosion and building long-term fertility. Drip irrigation and advanced sensors conserve water, ensuring every drop counts. Integrated pest management and natural fertilizers reduce chemical use and support biodiversity. Some farmers plant wildflowers to attract pollinators and beneficial insects, creating a balanced ecosystem. It's about working with nature, not against it. Sustainable practices protect the land for future generations. The future of farming is green and getting greener. The future of American cucumbers is a blend of tradition and technology. Farmers' deep knowledge is amplified by tools like autonomous tractors, AI-powered drones, and robotic harvesters. These innovations boost efficiency and sustainability, but the farmer's expertise remains at the heart of it all. Technology empowers, not replaces, the human touch. The next time you see a cucumber at the store, remember its journey, from hybrid seed to GPS-guided field. From buzzing bees to refrigerated trucks. It's a small miracle of modern agriculture. The American farmer is blending old wisdom with new tech to keep our tables full. Every cucumber is a story of dirt, data, and determination. That's worth celebrating. Thanks for joining us on this journey.